Understanding Downsizing the Team, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase that you might come across in the business world: downsizing the team. We'll break down what it means, why companies do it, and how it affects employees. So, let's dive into the details and make this concept clear and understandable. Downsizing the team refers to the process where a company reduces its number of employees to decrease costs and improve efficiency. It's a strategy often used in response to economic challenges, changes in market demand, or the need to enhance the company's financial health. This term is important because it directly impacts people's lives and job security. Downsizing is not about individual performance but rather a strategic decision made by the company. There are several reasons why a company might decide to downsize its team. 1. Economic downturn. During tough economic times, companies may need to cut costs to survive. Downsizing the workforce is one way to reduce expenses. 2. Technological advancements. As new technologies emerge, some jobs may become obsolete. Companies then downsize to realign their workforce with the new technological landscape. 3. Organizational restructuring. Sometimes, companies reorganize their structure to improve efficiency or focus on new strategic directions, leading to downsizing. 4. Mergers and acquisitions. When companies merge or one company acquires another, overlapping roles are often eliminated to streamline operations. Understanding these reasons helps us see downsizing as a complex decision influenced by various factors beyond just the desire to reduce staff numbers. Downsizing the team has significant effects on both the employees who leave and those who stay. For those who are let go, it can mean the loss of a job, which is a major life event. They may face emotional stress, financial challenges, and the task of finding new employment. For the remaining employees, downsizing can also be stressful. They might experience increased workloads, concerns about job security, and changes in team dynamics. However, companies often try to manage these impacts by offering support such as severance packages, counseling, and assistance in finding new jobs for those affected. We hope this video has helped you understand what downsizing the team means, why companies do it, and its impact on employees. Remember, while downsizing is a difficult process, understanding it from a business perspective can help us navigate such situations more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English learning content. See you in the next video.